Hey everybody, welcome to the live streams of Global Trade Live. Today is 28th of July and we are in New York session over here. So I was a little busy today, so that's why I'm starting the streams late. But still, we don't have any move happen in the market, so we are still good. Okay, so let's get started here. Let me just see what the market is really doing right now. Let's just Okay, let's just remove everything from the graph first and let's just find some clean ranges to trade. So if we talk about the clean range over here, then right now the market, let's just okay. So I think the trade will be in the 2 hour time frame over here, and if this 2 hour candle will be crossing above this area over here, 152.818 level, then it will be a buy trade. So I'm going to execute the trade at this point. So now we do have a clean range. Let me just draw the range over here. Yeah. So above this level, there is a clean range over here. So now we have our clean range and our buys over here. Let's just go to the 5 minutes and see what the market is really doing. So market was moving inside this channel over here, and right now it's creating higher highs and higher lows. Yeah. So this is something what the market is doing right now. And let's just check. So the thing is, my bias for today is a buy. Why? Because let's just go to the 4 hour over here. So the market just went all the way up. Yesterday the market was around right here. Yesterday market was here. I was hoping for the market to fall down, but it didn't fall down. And it look, yesterday the market was really confused as we predicted, and it didn't went down. It just went up, then rejected that area also, and then so on. So today, the previous 4 hour candle or the London candle is a big bullish candle over here, and it just went all the way up, crossing and closing above 152.586 area. And the current 4 hour candle is kind of creating a rejection wick over here, and it's kind of struggling right now. So the next target where the market can possibly go is 153.028 level, and with volume it can really pass that level also and go further up, because now the market has just crossed above the upper channel, which means the market is really coming inside the bullish momentum, and soon the market will be shooting up to at least this area over here, which is 41 pips away. So I think the market will be super bullish for the next few days. So yeah, we will see what kind of market we are gonna have in the next few days. According to me, it should be bullish market. Okay, so let's just draw some new trend lines over here. We don't need this one and this one. Alright, so the market is right now moving inside this channel over here. And guys, this is really important price over here, 152.819 level. This price is really important, and really the market can really shoot up today. If it starts to go up, then it can also go up to this level over here, which is 71 pips away. So I'm gonna try to grab as much pips as possible, because I really think the market will be moving up. So I'm gonna execute a buy trade at 152.826 level. Let me just move to 15 minutes, and I'll try to find out some symmetry over here. Let's just go and find out some symmetry move, if anything is happening in the smaller time frames. Yeah, it can really go up to complete the symmetry. And the best part for today is that sorry, the current daily candle has just crossed above this level over here, uh, above the VIX on the left. It has just crossed above those level, and now it's moving bullish. Okay, so the current daily candle can really go up, and if we talk about weekly, then the weekly is also going bullish. So guys, I really think that really heavy bullish momentum is coming into the market, and soon we will be witnessing that. So let's get ready with the buy ideas over here. Okay, so everything is ready, accounts are ready, perfect, and anytime it can really go up. Yes, so once this level will be broken, I'm gonna execute the buy trade. I cannot execute the buy trade right here once the price go beyond these candles over here, because there is this rejection over here. let me just see what other time frames are saying and telling. Let's just go to 30 minutes. $30 looks good. Okay, 45 minutes also looks good over here. 1 hour looks like it should be going up. Yeah, 2 hour is also good. Okay, so the 15-minute candle just closed bullish over here, the previous 15-minute candle. Now let's see how the current 15-minute candle will be reacting to that level. I think once the candle starts to go beyond this price 152.753 level, it can go really up, but the problem is these wicks on the left. So need to really cross this price over here first and then can execute a buy trade. But what if the 15-minute candle creates a lower wick and break this high over here? I think at that point also I can also execute a buy trade, because if I look to the upside, then I will be having a clean range of 20 pips at least. But I'm not sure about that, because market has rejected that area earlier right here, and it can really reject that area now. So I think the best plan will be if a candle crosses above this price over here. Yeah, 30 minutes going good over here. Actually, this thing is a fake out here, and I want the price to be maintained above this level over here. Only after that we can execute buys. Yeah, so this is the 30 minutes right now. Let's just go to 15 minutes. Yes, exactly. So market is kind of respecting this level over here, and I think once this price will be broken, it should be going up. I think I'm gonna execute a buy trade where if this 15-minute candle breaking above this area, or so 16 seconds remaining here. in this 5-minute candle to close. Let's see how this candle will be closing, because right now it's just stuck inside the two trend lines over here, and really need a price to, you know, push with high speed. So in the next 10 minutes we will be having New York Open. So let's see. Yeah, I think I'm gonna execute a buy trade once a candle breaks above this level over here. So I'll be getting ready over here with the trades, because anytime the market can break that area. Yeah, just took a buy trade over here. Now let's see how the market will be reacting to this level over here. So I have placed the buy trade at uh, I think, yeah, at this point over here. $152.761 level. Yeah, this is the level over here where I took the buy trade, and keeping the stops around 10 pips, and once the price goes up, I'm gonna give this whole area to the trade. Now I really think that market will be really pushing up from this point over here. So let me just give the trades SL over here, 152.658 level. I really want the candle to broke above this upper trend line over here and go all the way up. So let's see if that happens or not. Hey Saranj, how are you? Gold broke down, breaking structure. Okay, I'm gonna look at the gold in few minutes. So it just broke the high of the previous 5-minute candle, and now it should be moving really up. Yes. I think it just made the lower wick over here, and once it broke above this blue level over here, 152.826, GJ will be gone. Now just need to maintain its price above this level. Let's see. Let's see if there is any news today or not. Oh, 15-minute candle is rejecting. Not a good sign. What just happened here? In 31 minutes we will be having USD news. No problem. I just want the 15-minute candle to, close above this trend line, because if that doesn't happen and it closes below the trend line in the last few seconds, I think at that point really need to manage the risk. So I really want this candle to close outside the trend line, because 30-minute candle will be closing, 1 hour will be closing. So let's see how this candle will be closing finally. because then it market will be having 1 hour left for the 4 hour candle to close. Okay, so this is a nice sign. It just closed strong bullish. So this is what I was hoping for to happen, and I think with volume it can really push up. So now we just need to wait for this price to be, broken. Let's see. This channel is really strong, but the market is trying to break this channel. So now we will see. Okay, now I'm gonna have a look at the gold over here. So let's have a look. Oh, the price is coming down fast. I just want this price 15-minute candle to stay above this level over here. Let me just draw a line. If it stays above this level and maintain its price above this level, then it's good to go up. But this is GJ, so it can play games also. But the good thing is that this is high volume time here. New York is open at this point, and with volume it can really go up. So once it starts to move up, chances of going down will be really less. So let's have a look at the gold over here. Gold, okay, gold, what the gold is saying. Let's go to 30 minutes. Gold is really in a real bad shape over here. I don't know what to do with the gold at this point, because this was your trade, this was the only option for you to trade. Yes, this was the trade, because just hold on, guys. So okay, so the market is coming down here. Let's get ready to manage the risk. Okay, so 15-minute candle is kind of trying to go really down at this point. I'm not liking the way it's moving down. Oh, look at this rejection over here. I hope this rejection maintains and it stays above the trend line and that price over here. But if not, then I'm ready. So Saransh, this was the only position you could have just took the trade and kept the stop loss above this level over here. So yeah, because right now gold is really moving in a bad position. Oh, it's coming down again. Let's have a look at the 30 minutes over here. Looks good. 1 hour also looks good. Let's have a look at the 5 minutes. Okay, so this channel just got broke here and the market just came down. Maybe it came down to retest and it will be breaking up finally, but really don't know. Really, no, I don't have any idea about that because the way it's moving right now, it's just playing with the traders. It's just playing with us. So anytime need to manage the risk as well, and anytime it can really flip up. Okay, it's coming down. So let's see. Come on, man. But it's all right. If it even if it's starts to come down, then I'm ready to close half of the position, and I know where I need to add the risk back. Okay, it's about to break the low. So once it it will be breaking the low, I'm gonna uh, close half of the position. Oh, look at the rejection. Just it's giving at this level. Oh, so this is the lower trend line in the 5 minutes. That's why it's still not going down. Have you already executed a trade? Yes. But if you haven't, then you can execute the trade right now, because my trade is right here and it's a buy trade. So right now I'm into 3 pips of drawdown, so you can take the benefit of that. But if you wait for the candle to flip, then it will be more great, because right now I'm just looking at managing the risk here if it starts to break the low of the previous candle. But if it just if it if the candle can maintain its price above the trend line and 152.737 level, then I think we are good. Just hoping for the market to maintain its price above these levels over here. But there is no signs of volume now. So in 4 minutes, the current 15-minute candle will be closing. So I think the next 4 minutes will be really important, and this 5-minute candle is really important, because if this candle starts to go up with no wick on the bottom, then this can really flip this candle up, and we will be having a weak bearish candle or a weak bullish candle. So in both the cases, we will be having long wick rejections in this current 15-minute candle. So if that happens, then the market is still with us, and if that doesn't happen and it starts to break the low of the previous candle, then it is what it is and we cannot do anything. We can just manage the risk and add the positions back once it starts to go up. Still got 2 minutes here and it's coming down again. Let's see. Oh, okay, it's flipping down. It has to flip really up. If it respects the lower trend line, then it will be going up. But the way it's moving in the last few minutes, I think it can really go down. Okay, so deciding 1 minute left here. So this is the deciding 1 minute over here. Now this 1 minute candle will be deciding where GJ will be moving, whether it will be moving up or down. Now let's see. Alright, so 15-minute candle just closed bearish over here. Really not a good sign, guys. Not a good sign. Anytime, I think. Now, anytime we need to manage the risk. So, and the previous 15-minute candle just closed inside the trend line again. Really not happy with this. Only if one thing can happen, that this 15-minute candles break the high with no wick on the bottom, then it will be great. But I really don't know that will be happening or not, because the previous candle just closed inside the trend line. So these areas are really strong rejection areas. So can't say anything here. Let's see. Okay, so this 5-minute candle broke above this wick. Uh, let's see. Yes, it's rejecting this area. You know why still I'm holding this trade right now? Because of the 30-minute and 1 hour candle. Because these candles are still above the trend line and still rejecting this area. So that's the only reason why I am still holding the trade and not closing half at this point. So in this 4 hour candle, if it really wants to go up, then it has only 40 minutes left. But right now it's just stuck. Let's have a look at the 5 minutes. It's about to close in 10 seconds. If this candle closes bullish, then there will be a good sign, because it will be closing inside the channel again, leaving some area for the next candle to go up. So let's see if the next candle follows the channel or not. Uh, would you get in again? 5 minutes engulfing I am already in my full position running right now. So if I close somewhere to manage the risk, then yes, I'm gonna add the positions back again. Right now my full positions are running and I'm waiting for this current 5-minute candle to flip back up, break the high, touch this level, and finally break this level. So it's flipping back, and I really want this candle to break this high over here. So once this high gets broke, this upper trend line will be tapped, and after this level will be broken, and finally it can go up. So same thing is happening right here. So let's see how the market will be respecting these things, because once this level gets broke, 152.826, market will be really pushing up high. But it really needs some fuel here to push the market up. Look, this area is creating strong rejections here, very strong rejections. The market is trying to go up, but it's failing every time. That's the issue. So now it can go down because it's rejecting the higher prices, and rejection is being done at the same price levels every time. So if it really wants to go up, then it has to go in a single shot, breaking all the levels from the left. But if that doesn't happen, then really don't know. Because holding a position like this, man, really takes a lot of confidence. Lot of confidence you have to put inside your trade, inside your idea, to hold the trade, hold everything. Because if you cannot hold your trade or trust your idea, then you will be in trouble. Because eventually your idea will work, and you know that, but it's just whenever you are into the trade, you face lack of confidence. Because once the time starts to pass away and you are in the trade for the past 1 hour or 2 hours or maybe 30 minutes, sometimes you just feel lack of confidence. Hello Abhishek, how are you? So if this price gets broke and market starts to go up, I'm gonna hold the trade for at least 30-40 pips today. But that will be totally depending upon the trend lines and everything else. Come on man, just start to go up. 6 minutes left here. Yeah, 30-minute candle just gave us huge rejection at this point. 1 hour candle also flipping up. 15-minute candle also starts to go up. I think, yes, this was something I was talking about. But just wait a second. This price is still intact, guys. Still got something to do. Market has to broke up of this price level. It hasn't broke up of that price. Come on, man. But look, it just starts to reject the upper trend line over here. Now let's see how the good thing is, wait a second. Yeah, so the good thing is that this current 15-minute candle with no wick on the bottom has crossed above this price over here. Okay, and which shows us that the bullish pressure is really high inside the market right now, and these candles can really go up high. Right now I'm in 3.7 pips of profit. So now this candle can really go up high once it starts to break this price level 152.826 level, then it should be going up, but it has to break the price, because from the past few days I'm looking at GJ and it just went up, reject the price, came down, and then starts to go up in the New York Stock Exchange session. Again it's rejecting. Okay, let's see. So last 30 minutes left around. Okay, so the last 30 minutes left in the current 4-hour candle to close, 34 minutes to be very exact. And if it really wants to go up high, then it has to do it now. Look at this rejection over here. Still got 3 minutes left here. Look how strong this channel is. It's too strong that it's still intact, and the market cannot really go beyond these lines over here. But the good thing is now the price is getting maintained above and or near 152.763 level, which is a sign of bullish momentum in the market right now. Because once the price reached this level earlier, it came all the way down, and now finally it came again to this level. Now the price is getting maintained above these levels over here, so this is a good sign, and if it can stays above that level, then it will be great. Because still got 1 minute left for the 15-minute candle to close, and I really don't want this 15-minute candle to close bearish, coming all the way down, because it just broke the high with no wick on the bottom. I really want this 5-minute candle to go up, break the price, and next candle should be going up also. So let's see. So this is 30-minute candle over here. 1 hour will be having 30 minutes left. That means the next 30-minute candle can really push the price up, and this 15-minute candle has to maintain its price above this level. So that's the only case here. Come on, man. We are just, I think, how many pips away? We are just 3 pips away. Okay, 15-minute closed bullish. Minute closed, I don't know, like a doji. What the hell is this 15-minute candle doing here? It's coming all the way down, guys. Shit. Get ready. Oh, really need to manage the risk here. Let's get ready. look at this rejection over here. GJ is, I want to abuse GJ right now, but still in the trade, so respect GJ. I was about to close my half trade to manage the risk, but it just gave us huge rejection over here. Look at this rejection. Again, coming down. Okay, so this is also a problem here. 1 hour. 1 hour is also stuck here. So after 20 minutes, it will be 1 hour. We will be holding this trade. Okay, and sorry. So in few seconds, 5-minute candle will be closing. So if the 5-minute candle closes with huge wick rejection, that will be a great sign. 30 seconds left here. No other information is available. Only this is the only information available with us. "14 seconds. Come on, come on, come on." Okay. Sorry. So it finally closed with huge rejection, but with no wick on the top. This is not a good sign, but still something. This huge rejection is something. Okay, so that's why it's rejecting this area. Alright. Because if daily starts to go up now, then it won't be stopping and it will be going really high. Okay, 5 minute candle I think closed. So 5 minute candle just closed like this. Oh, really in a bad position here. Not a good sign, guys. Not a good sign. It can now go down because now it's moving sideways, and anytime I think maybe it can just go down. If the higher time frames like 15 minutes or 30 minutes can hold the price up, so it might just go up. But right now what the 5 minute is showing, it's showing me that it will be going down. So we just have to wait and see how this 15-minute candle will be closing right here, and let's hope that this candle will be giving us a rejection in the last few minutes and will be flipping to the upside, leaving huge wick so that the next candle can go straight up. But the way it's trying to enter inside the zone, it's not good. Yeah, 5 minute is not looking good. It's coming down. Yeah, now it's time. closed half here. Manage the risk. Okay, so once it breaks its own low, I'm gonna close half again. Closed another half here. To manage the risk because it's now closed strong bearish. I'm gonna add the positions back once it starts to move up. Yeah. Still in the trade right now, and but I know anytime it can really flip down and stop us out. Look how market plays with us. It came all the way down exactly to our stop loss points, and now it's moving all the way up. But it's okay. I'm gonna add the positions back, and I know where I'll be adding the positions back. What time you start your daily stream? At 4 p.m. according to the Indian time. Still in the trade right now, and with a small position, very small. So from 60 cent to 8 cent, and I managed the risk. Let me just show you how I managed my risk here. Okay, so this is how I managed my risk. By cutting my losses short. So I closed around 52 cents. So I'm now gonna add around 52 cents. Look how the market plays with us. It just tapped it almost tapped our stop losses. So now we have this channel right here. $15.51. Okay, so only 9 minutes left here. 15:51. Yeah. So only 9 minutes left here for the 4-hour candle to close, and let's see how the next 4-hour candle will be forming. Because now the price came to this level for the third time. It rejected this level again, from this level to this level, and now it just came back to the level again. So if it starts to go up now, then the chances of going up will be really, really high. It rejected the level again. Again, it rejected that level. So currently in a 60-cent lot, I lost around $40. And if I add the positions back and it just starts to go up, and then I'm gonna win much more, because minimum TP will be 20-30 pips. because the daily candle just broke the highs, and with volume it can really push up. So now the volume is expected at the time of New York Stock Exchange, but totally depends upon the price. So basically, this thing here, I think this thing here is a fake out move from the trend line. Okay, in 14 seconds, 13 seconds, 5-minute candle will be closing. 15-minute candle is going good, so it will be closing in the next 6 minutes. Now in the last 5 minutes here, last 5 minutes. Let's have a look. I check at 4 p.m. today, but your live stream were not available, so asked you. Yeah, that's because I started my stream 1 hour late today, so that's why. Otherwise, every day at 4 p.m. I'm here. Come on, man, what the fuck? I think market is waiting for New York Stock Exchange open. Look how messy the market just, is moving. Look at the move from pre-New York, now coming towards New York Stock Exchange. How messy the market was. And if we look at the London session over here, I think, yeah, this was a good move, happened in London session today. Let's just calculate the move over here. Yeah, this was a 17 pips move, took place in London session. So 4-hour candle is about to close in 1 minute, and the next 4-hour candle, let's see what the next 4-hour candle can do. Okay, let's just check somewhere else. Okay, so the next 4-hour candle can simply boost up by just giving a little bit, bearish momentum, little bit, and then it can really reverse back and go all the way up. Yes. So last 10 seconds remaining for the current 4-hour candle to close. See, 4-hour candles are really important part of my trading, and with 4-hour candles, when I trade the 4-hour candles, I can really catch the big pips, big moves, which helps me a lot to grow the account faster, because I always try to ride the whole 4-hour candle. And the people who are coming on my streams daily, they know I have predicted big moves in the market, and price 90% of the times price always lands up there where I have predicted it to land. So that's the power of 4-hour candle, and I will suggest everyone on the streams that try to analyze your trades in the 4-hour candles, and try to hold your trades for much longer, because your analysis is absolutely correct. Like, if I give you an example here, right now we are in the trade and it's just moving, like a garbage right now. The market is really garbage right here. So this trade was planned in 4 hour and executed in 5 hours, right? So if this is not working, but I know that if right now at the current time, if it's not working, and from the past few hours we are just moving in sideways or consolidating, but that doesn't mean that your analysis is incorrect. I really know that soon the price will be breaking the highs and it will be shooting up, and at that point it's just you need to be available at the market to catch those moves. So that's the thing here, and once it starts to go up, it will be going really up. Yeah, let's check 1 hour. Nice. Because the previous 4-hour candle is just garbage. Because of that, we lost some part of the trade. Look at the look at these moves over here. Now every day, in the New York, in the pre-New York and the New York, only these kind of moves are, happening in the market. Big moves are coming at the time of New York Stock Exchange. Please, why don't you do London session anymore? Because London session is not matching with my time, and Raja Banks is already doing that, so this is the best time for me, and that's it. Because if everybody will be doing London session, like I think Luke also does the London session, and Raja Bank also doing London session. So if everybody is doing the London session, who will do the New York streams? So this is empty for me, and that's why I'm doing this. Plus, I really personally I like New York streams here. So that's the reason. So price just broke above. Now need to see if it can maintain above or not. Finally it broke the price over here, 152.834 level. Now market can really shoot up. Yes. But it still has to go really up, really fast. It need to, leave these areas behind and go all the way up. Really need to do that. I'm not liking the way it's moving right now. I'm really not liking the way. This candle over here need to stretch fast and go all the way up. because this was not supposed to move slowly. Let's just check this out. Just hold on, guys. $152.839. Stop loss 707. So guys, this will be the last trade for today, and if this doesn't work, then it is what it is. I'm not gonna execute more trades today because if this kinds of setups are not working today, then I really want to stay away from the market, because these setups are really extremely high probability setup. And 2 minutes left here. So 15-minute candle will be closing in 2 minutes. Now really need to see where the 15-minute candle will be closing, and after 15 minutes New York Stock Exchange will be opening. At the time of NYSE open, we can also witness some volume. It's just till then We really need to survive in this market. So my first trade is running in 10 pips of profit right here. Second trade is in 2 pips, but not liking this. It should be, showing some volume, push up, do something. "15 seconds remaining for this current 5-minute candle to close. Let's see how this candle will be closing. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so it just closed bullish with a huge rejection wick. Now let's see. Okay, so now if the current 5-minute candle breaks above the high of the previous 5-minute candles, then it can really go up. Yeah, it just broke the high. Now volume should be pushing the price up. At least I'm expecting that. Yeah, it's pushing the price up. So first trade running in 13 pips. Second trade is in 5 pips. Oh, rejection. Okay, basically the next 15-minute candle just started here. That's why. Okay, so I'm expecting this 15-minute candle to push the 30-minute candle up. So it can really come down to this level. So let's see what will happen. Because look, this 15-minute candle already broke the high, but in first minute. So it can really make a liquidity wick over here and start to go up, all the way up, which will take this 30-minute candle up. So that's what I'm expecting the market to do. But let's see if it will be doing that or not. So 4-hour candle also broke above the high of the previous 4-hour candle, as we expected, and market should be taking the price more up. So let's just draw some important levels over here. So we are in the trade, I think, since 1.5 hours now. Still need to wait for 12 more minutes here. 12 more minutes for the New York Stock Exchange to open. 30 seconds remaining here for the current 5-minute candle to close. Okay, so 1 hour also broke the channel over here, which is a really good sign, but needs some volume here, otherwise it cannot maintain the price above and will be falling down. 30-minute, same thing. It's just starting to coming down. Come on. It's coming all the way down. Again, need to manage the risk here. Really wasn't expecting this. Oh, look at this candle over here. last 10 seconds remaining, and if this candle reverses all the way back, that will be a really good rejection over here. 5 seconds. Nope. Now the problem is the price just came back inside the trend lines, and it really needs to, break the trend lines to the upside to go up. Otherwise, uh, it will be falling down. Maybe the NYSE volume can push the price up. Need to. It's losing its momentum to the upside. Okay. I just cannot wait like that. So closed another half at this point, and now the price is really near my TP, near my SL. So maybe at the time of New York Stock Exchange volume coming in, it can really shoot up. So need to see that also. Now a few seconds remaining. 40 seconds. 3 seconds. Yeah, volume will be coming in, and it will be taking the price up or down. The way it's moving, really not good. Okay, so I just got stopped out. Yeah. So guys, here I'm gonna call it a day. So just got stopped out, took a trade, it didn't worked out, took another one, actually added the positions back, so it also didn't worked out. So it is what it is. Anyways, no problem, we'll be coming back tomorrow again. And let's just do one thing, let's not overtrade. What do you 6 minutes till London, let's wait and see. Okay. So take care everybody, and thank you for being online with me. We will be earning tomorrow, so let's see.